Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Wat lai ki don chibon ki jingkan tho na ki reu pok khmat baru na kalyang ki seng san perthai halor ki jingle jong ka sarkar MDA balai lam khmat da ka seng National People's Party ban perlong jelang sekiwai pat ki jaka ya ka balas dang ha ka sipotrek mentau bna jilio arha ka khandai hatura jong ka West Garo Hills District bakane ki jingle ka dai tang ka jingpen bijai ya ka por bat ka jing plot phot ya ka pisa upat ba halor kane ka jingkan no na kalyang usambot menteri rang ba ka jilla uba Preston Tensong habai keren bat kinong pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jelang jong ka kunhon menteri ulapan kesan halor kini ki jingkan tho da ka baong ba ka jing pelong ke jelang jong ka kunhon menteri sekwepe ki jaka kalong ka jingkar khu bat ka jing mentoy na ka benta upai ba jong ka jela hi bro kawai uba Preston Tensong ulai thoru ba ka jelang ka babot jong ka sarkar MDA kan salong sa hajowai ha West Giant Hills District.
If one looks at this as expenditure, I think you're really missing the point. There are certain things that need to be done in order to understand the problems of the people, and these are necessary. I should say necessary investments. It's not even an expenditure. It's an investment we're making, where the ministers are going, the officials are going to the grassroots, and we're really connecting and understanding. And I think ultimately it will allow us to create better policies that will mean more and address the issues that really the public is facing. So yes, there is expenditure. Exercise like this does incur expenditure, but it is. I don't think it's correct to look at it as expenditure. It is really an investment in ensuring that the system gets better and stronger.
But the next cabinet meeting will be held in July. Okay, this will be held July. I know few critics were there. I seen it. I think there Facebook and even the newspaper. Few critics were there who honestly said that why cabinet has to be held in Tura. But let me tell you very clearly, this decision taken by our Honorable Chief Minister, taken by the government, MDA government, is for the benefit of each and everyone in the state of Meghalaya. That's what I can tell you. And that is very important to all of us. And please don't be misled by critics, because ultimately, as I said to you, people will be blessed by having a cabinet meeting to each and every district headquarters of our state. Okay?